Yeah. Okay, so Carol, today we will have assessment for present perfect chapter. I want you to retell the video you have watched in the class, a picture of health. Okay, try to use present tense and present perfect. Present tense it means like he is, he goes, okay, he comes, and then present perfect. Helen has pretended, Helen has eaten. Okay, three, two, one, start.
Hello everybody, so my name is Carol, I'm from Edinburgh class and I want to tell you about the video of picture of health. So at the first time Helen feels feels lazy to go to the office and she pretended to be sick. She has pretended to be sick in front of her friends and Ja- Jane asks Helen, "Have you uh, checked the temperature?" And Helen's friends are worried, and their friends want Helen to go to her bed first. And after that, after their friend gone to work, Helen eats and drinks the food and a lot of cola. And after her friends gone home, after the friends gone have gone home, she pretended to be she has pretended to be under the weather again. So their Helen's friends asked her "Do you like eat anything?" And Helen says that she hasn't eat any hasn't eat eaten and drink anything. Drink 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 drunk and drunk for 5 hours. And uh, after that, Matt gives Helen a soup so Helen can eat it. After that, suddenly Simon come come comes to Helen to visit Helen, and Simon Simon buy buy buys two tickets to watch the band. But Simon sees that Helen is not healthy yet, so Simon cancels it cancels his plan to go to the band, and he go with Jane. I think that's all. Thank you.
Good. So, what kind of ticket has Simon bought for Helen?
A band ticket.
It's. Can you make it complete, Simon?
So Simon buys
Has
has buy has bought the ticket
to watch.
to watch a band.
Okay. Um, have you taken care of your health well this week?
Yep, yep. Yes,
Yes, what?
I do.
Have you
Yes.
taken care?
Have you? Yes, I do. Yes, I have.
Yes, yes, I have. Okay. What lesson do you get from this video?
I want uh what lesson? So I got the I think I think we don't be we we don't have we don't have to pretend or like not be honest, or you can get uh eh, how
Or we
to
can
explain.
get, yeah, correct. Or we can get the
if
car.
we if we not be honest and we like pretended, we can get karma.
Okay. Um, have you had your lunch today?
Yes, I do. I do. I have.
Just see the in front one. Have you eat?
Yeah,
Have you had
I
your
have.
dinner? Yes,
Yes,
I
I
have.
have.
Do you think has Gife right has Gife been ready for the assessment?
No, she hasn't. I
Oh,
think
why do you think she hasn't been ready yet for the assessment?
because she playing
She
play
plays.
she plays in the class every time when I study when I study for the for
Assessment.
this assessment.
Okay. So how long have you studied English at TGV?
Uh, for
Can you make it complete?
about
I
I
aku sudah
I have studied in TGV for about
1 year
no, it's long. I think
or
in 3 September 2022.
so it's been
It's been one
okay 1 year.
it's been 4 years.
4 years. Okay. What have you improved so far? Can be from the skills, maybe from the confidence, from your understanding, anything.
From the like the confident, and I can know I can now I can tell about the like vocabulary and many vocabulary that I can use, and I can
Okay.
what again, I can improve my skills in English.
Okay. If in terms of speaking, what have you improved?
In speaking,
In speaking.
yeah, I can talk.
Now I have improved my
Now I
speaking by.
have improved to talk
What do you mean by that? Tell me more.
to talk about the topic, about the what the question, I forget.
In terms of speaking, what have you improved?
I think nothing, just like
The same.
yeah, the same.
Okay. But you said before you can speak more topic, blah blah blah.
No,
No.
I think
So actually, you still think in Bahasa Indonesia, I think. That's why it's hard for you to speak sometimes.
no.
You need to start to think in English. Don't try to translate.
I know the English, but I don't know the
You don't know how to explain it.
no. I know the English, but I like keceplosan like that. Like I'm not.
You
I
just say
yeah
in Bahasa Indonesia.
yeah.
Okay. It means the habit then. Okay, now you can ask me any questions, Carol. One question in present perfect tense.
Present
Perfect.
perfect.
Sudah
Have
sudah.
Have you eaten
Easy the question. Change. You are better than this.
Have you have you hmm have you
What have can be? How have can
I
be?
don't know the
What have can be?
question.
How long can be?
How long you teach
Ya.
teach
Seberapa lama kamu
and
sudah?
how
How long
long have
have
you
you
teach
teach? What is teaching for
teach
free?
teach
Teach
touch
how?
touch touch
How
so
long have you?
have you
How long have
how
you?
long have you taught in TGP?
I have taught at the GV for about 4 years. Real long. Any question more?
Again ya. Three more ya. One, two more.
Actually, only one. Any
Oh,
question more? Nope.
no.
Okay then. Thank you very much. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.